Now you should come in 10th. निवृत्ततर्षैरुपगीयमानात् भौषधात् श्रोत्रिमनोभिरामात् कह उत्तम श्लोक गुणानुवादात् विरज्येत बिना पशुघ्नात्. Parikshit Maharaj, hearing about seven days, 5 days, he has already. He was never wanting a glass of water, no sleep, nothing, always hearing and hearing.
24 घंटे चलती रही.
All were like this. क्या बंद करो विजय, बंद करो हमको जब कहेंगे. Always hearing. Sukdev Goswami told, do you want to take water? I don't require. Sukdev Goswami. If you want water, anything, food, fruits, anything, milk, no, I don't want. I am drinking your nectar of Harikatha. I don't have time. I don't want waste a minute time. Especially Nibritta Tarashai Upagiyamana, if any realized soul is there. He is detached from worldly all kinds of desires and Visha means? Enjoyments. And totally absorbed in Hari Krishna, always chanting, remembering. And he has some realization. And he can remove all kinds of doubts. He is like a very good Vaidya, medical
Ayurvedic doctor.
Ayurvedic doctor. His medicine is Abhyartha. Abhyartha,
Without fail.
never become
Infallible.
infallible. So, we should hear Katha from him. This is the medicine for worldly persons. Being always happiness. Those who are not hearing all these sweet pious sons of Krishna, they will lose so much. They are like a hunter, hunting himself, killing himself and others also. Those who are taking the flesh and the axe anyhow. If they are not killing, but taking from the market, they are also killer. Those who are making shades and all these things for that, killing animals and doing all nonsense, they are also hunter. Those who are not hearing, they are more hunter. They are killing themselves and others also. So anyone who wants to enjoy this world, those who are Vishayis, those who are Nibritta Tarshayi, they have no desire to taste this world. Those who are Bhakta, all should hear Srimad Bhagavatam. This is a
medicine.
Diet and medicine both.
That means Abhyartha,
Infallible.
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 So we should hear. Then he told, I want to know now. You have told so many things. So I want to ask you, Baldev was Sankarshan, and he came in the womb of Rohini, his son. How he became the son of Devaki? How he became? Outwardly he never came in the womb of Devaki, but he is told, हम जो कारण ठीक है. He never came in the womb of Devaki. So how outwardly we know that he is the Rohini's Nandan. But why we call? And why Krishna giving of his father and father home at Mathura? He went to Braja. And what activities he done, what pastimes he did there. And again why he came to Mathura? And Mathura, how many years he was there and what he did there. And after that why he went to Dwarka. And he married so many.
Queens.
How many wives he married there, and how he was doing there, and anything else he had played and done pastimes. I request you to explain here. Then Sukadeva Goswami hearing became so happy, and he told to Parikshit Maharaj that वासुदेव कथा प्रश्न पुरुषान् स्त्रीन् पुनाति हि वक्तारं प्रेक्षकं श्रोत्रं तत्पादसलम यथा. These pastimes of Krishna are so strong medicine for this world that they cure three things. Those who asking question for hearing Harikatha pastimes of Krishna, that you are asking. And Bhaktaram, who is answering, who is telling, speaking the pastimes of Krishna. And thirdly, who is listening, all. So it makes pure to three, like Ganges water coming from the feet of Vamandev by Bhagirathi for his brothers or ancestors, who are killed. Ancestors. So he was brought by Bhagirathi. The Bhagirathi was pure, and Shankar was purified. He took Ganges on his head, and then it quickly went to Sagar, to ocean, and where all 60,000 of his ancestors were killed there, and it was touched to water of Ganges there. At once they went to Vaikuntha. So this katha is like pastimes like that. If anyone is so weak, he cannot give up their bad habits. They want to taste world. But anyhow they will hear all these pastimes very strongly, then they will be purified certainly. And a Krishna prema will come very quickly in their hearts. Because he has promised in first canto, those who will hear the pastimes of Krishna made by or manifested by Vyasdev, at once, if anyone will have so much honor to hear, at once quickly Krishna will come and be controlled in their hearts. Then Parikshit Maharaj, hearing this,